guys, we're back with another video, and to celebrate Earth Day coming up soon, we're going to be making bird feeders. I have pine cones, toilet paper rolls, and a teacup and tea plates. We also have peanut butter and birdseed, and also yarn or some sort of string.
Get the peanut butter.
Oh. Peanut butter. Okay, so we're gonna start by cutting this open carefully so it doesn't spill over everything. Into a paper plate. There, it didn't split over everything. Yay! I'm gonna close the bag with a chip clip. And spread this out. We're gonna start with the pine cone. So first, we're gonna take the peanut butter. We're gonna spread it. Spread it on this plate.
You're going to tell us what the peanut butter is for?
The peanut butter is to make sure that the bird seed sticks on. And birds like to eat it.
You need to spread it around. You don't have that much peanut butter.
No, I don't. Probably gonna have to get the other jar soon.
You don't fill the whole pine cone. You just spread it on the outside edges.
I'm trying to get it to go off that.
Would you like to tell people where this pine cone came from?
This pine cone came from near the trail that we go on when we want to walk or run or ride our bikes or roller skate in our case. On the ground next to a bunch of the pines.
Don't put it in the exact same spot you already have peanut butter. Put it in places that don't have peanut butter.
Here. Once you have it the way you want it, put the knife back in there, and then you're gonna spread it, you're gonna roll it in birdseed. Probably the scariest part for me, other than opening the birdseed. Okay, and then we get another paper plate. Thank you. And we tie string around it. Make sure it's kind of long. Oopsie. Can tie it nice and tight. And then this is what you're going to hang it from. Which one should we do next? What?
Hey, that's it for the pine cone. Now, if you don't have a pine cone or you can't find a pine cone, you can also make a bird feeder out of something that you all have around the house. A toilet paper roll. Okay, why don't you move your finished one off to the side?
Okay. I'm going to put it on the stool right here. Okay. So we're going to do the same thing that we did with the pine cone. We're going to spread the peanut butter, excuse me, on the toilet paper roll. Then once you're done spreading the peanut butter, roll it in the birdseed. Just like the other one. And spread with more peanut butter.
Make sure you press it down into the birdseed so the birdseeds really stick in there.
That's what I'm doing. Okay, almost done. Then do you tie it on the same way?
You put a string through the middle of the toilet paper tube.
Oh. I got it on my hands. Oh well. Get another piece of yarn or string, cut it, then you put it through the middle, then tie it, oopsie, in a little loop, and then this one is done.
Now, what would you do with these once they're finished?
You would let them dry, I would assume.
Where are the birds going to eat them in the dining room?
No, you'd hang it up outside on a tree or something. A tree or a bush, something outside. Should we do this one next?
Mm-hmm.
This one, we glued together a pretty teacup.
We got it at a thrift store for like $1.
And a pretty tea plate. And we glued them together with Mama's E6000. So do we spread peanut butter in the middle?
You don't put peanut butter in that one.
Or you just like pour birdseed in it?
Pour the birdseed into the cup. Fold the plate to make a funnel. Fold the plate. Put it down.
Okay.
Push your finger where you want it to fold.
There. And then we're going to pour this into the cup.
All of it.
And it's going to spill out a little bit when you hang it on a tree.
Please turn that so we can see it. Lower, please. Put it on the table.
Okay.
There we go. Very nice. How would we hang that one?
Like, I would hang it on the branch of a tree, like, carefully when it's straight. I wouldn't tie a string around it. It may not be, like, tight enough.
I think I would use a string, but I would make sure I tied it very carefully.
Yes, very, very carefully.
Okay, and that's it, guys, for making homemade bird feeders that you can use to celebrate Earth Day, which is April 22nd.
I forgot what day it is today. Like 20th? Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.